Well, guess what happened today? I missed the excitement, but the city came to help and put some big construction equipment down the roads, apparently, going east-west. So Sycamore is now clear. Look at this. This is just pretty much where that whole corner had to go. And, you know, like I keep saying, where's the next snow gonna get put? And these corners are not very wide at all. Like, if I was driving a FedEx truck, I couldn't make this turn here, you know? Same thing happened down there. These piles of snow weren't touched. So there's fewer spots now than there ought to be. These are still here, so it doesn't really affect parking, but they could have taken these out with their loaders or whatever it was that they used. And again, here's another corner that is going to be fun to do in anything bigger than my car, pretty much. And that at least did get cleared, so that'll be fine. And I don't hear a whole lot of anything going on still. They could be clearing snow, and they're not, but that's New Bedford for you, I guess.